G'day team. Today we're making a wireline guard. So we're building a drill rig here. It's an MD600 model, and we make this wireline winch here. And today's project is going to be building this guarding that you can see on screen. So the design's all there, we've modelled it all up, everything's looking good, and we've made the drawings. So we'll go through, we'll print out all the drawing packs, we'll discuss them, brief the project, pass it on to the next guy, the fabricator in the workshop, and then he'll set to and start the build process.
So there's the view of just the drum assembly with the guard now. Exploded view. This is all using Solidworks, and he's printing the drawing out for me to build it.
Welcome to the workshop. So today we've got Dan, he's our fabricator on this particular project, also known as DK the Welder. Get over to his YouTube channel and check him out, he does some really cool stuff. So what we can see here is all the laser profiles laid out on the bench, as well as the wireline winch actually assembled. This is how our parts come in from the profiler, and they're all ready to go. So we first start by offering up the two side panels in position as per drawing and the model. They then get bolted in and shimmed out for the appropriate clearances. The rolled window panels then get offered up and then tacked in position. Once we're happy, we can then unbolt and pull that segment out, lay in the perforated sheet, tack that in position, and that then is now ready to be fully welded off. So that's pretty much the process that we go through for, I think there's 3 different guard panels for this, and that's what you'll see throughout this video. So let's get right into it and yeah, enjoy the build. So now we've got 2 panels there, bolted up, in position, all tacked up, everything's looking good. So here we can see our workshop computer, and we're looking at a 3D CAD viewer. So this means we can have all the models out there with the guys in the workshop, and they can actually roll the models round, zoom in on any areas, they can check all the finer details, ping dimensions of things, and get information that we can't really depict or dimension in a 2D drawing. So it's been very, very helpful throughout all our builds. And there you have it, the final product. Adjustable guarding for a wireline winch. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to Insight Engineering and stay tuned for more insightful videos. That's a wrap for this video, team. Remain thorough and happy engineering.